Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Animal Crossing New Horizons on PC. First, you will need to download the Ryujinx emulator from its official website. Before proceeding, ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include a modern processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a capable graphics card. Next, install the required Nintendo Switch firmware and prod keys into the emulator application to enable game loading. This foundational step is crucial for a successful setup. Once Ryujinx is set up, the next step is to acquire the Animal Crossing New Horizons game file. Remember to obtain your game files legally, for example, from a game card you own. After securing the game file, place it into a clearly designated folder on your computer for easy access. Then, open the Ryujinx emulator, navigate to its settings, and add the folder containing your game files to the game directory list. This allows Ryujinx to locate and display your game. With the game loaded, it is time to optimize your experience. Dive into Ryujinx's graphics settings to adjust resolution scaling and other visual enhancements for optimal quality on your monitor. Next, configure your input controls. You can map actions to your keyboard or connect a gamepad for a more authentic feel. Experiment with various settings, such as anisotropic filtering and shader cache options, to find the perfect balance between smooth performance and stunning visual fidelity on your specific system. Should you encounter any issues, do not worry. Ryujinx has extensive documentation and a helpful online community where you can find solutions to common problems. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date and regularly update the Ryujinx emulator itself, as developers frequently release performance improvements and bug fixes. With these steps, you are now ready to enjoy countless hours of Animal Crossing New Horizons, building your island paradise directly on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.